Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn SQL with AI. First, identify an AI-powered platform that offers interactive SQL tutorials and exercises. Many tools provide a structured curriculum, guiding you from basic commands to advanced queries. Focus on understanding the core concepts like select, from, where, and join. Use the AI to generate practice problems, and then check your solutions for accuracy and efficiency. This immediate feedback loop is crucial for rapid learning. To truly master SQL, consistent practice is key. Utilize AI to create an endless supply of unique SQL challenges tailored to your skill level. If you get stuck, the AI can provide hints or even walk you through the solution step by step, explaining the logic behind each part. Don't just copy the answers. Strive to understand why a particular query works. Experiment with different approaches and see how the AI evaluates their effectiveness. This iterative process builds strong problem-solving skills. Once you have a solid foundation, AI can help you tackle more advanced SQL topics. Explore how to optimize your queries for better performance, a critical skill for large datasets. AI can analyze your query and suggest improvements, often explaining the underlying database principles. Dive into complex concepts like subqueries, common table expressions, and window functions with AI-generated examples and explanations. You can even simulate real-world database environments to practice complex data manipulation tasks. Learning SQL is an ongoing journey, and AI can be a valuable companion throughout. Use AI to stay informed about new SQL standards, features, and best practices. Engage with online forums and communities to share your knowledge and learn from others. Many platforms offer advanced courses and certifications that can further enhance your expertise. Remember, consistent effort and curiosity are your best tools for becoming an SQL expert. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers for meal prep, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.